Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you all around the Hilton Lake Buena Vista Palace. You like this little cabana I'm sitting in? Look at my view, very nice. I'm going to take you on a walk to Disney Springs and I'm going to show you my king room with an EPCOT view and just all around this beautiful resort. Here is my beautiful king room. I just love this room and the layout, and I have a ceiling fan, nice big plus. Over here is the desk with the coffee maker and the ice bucket, and I love this table that you can move around the room on wheels. Very convenient. Thank you for that, Hilton. Here we go. This is the money shot right here. Oh, it feels so good outside. Right over there is Spaceship Earth, partially covered by Guardians of the Galaxy. So my GoPro does not zoom in. I need to invest in a camera that does, but I was able to zoom in and get these pictures. And there you can see Spaceship Earth, and now Guardians of the Galaxy is covering part of it. Guardians, you better be glad you're a really good ride, or I'd be upset about that. But yeah, and there's a little bit of zoom in footage I got. Okay, back inside of the room tour. Here is the sofa bed and this ottoman, and it has this movable table on top of the ottoman, which is very nice and convenient, and floor lamp. This room comes with a nice large size flat screen TV. Here is your safe, and here's the mini fridge. Has 3 deep drawers, so if you're the kind of person that likes to put your clothing and items in drawers, here they are for you. They are very nice. I don't. Here's mine, as you can see. Hello. So here's the vanity, which is located outside of the bathroom. Shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and shower cap. Here's your blow dryer and extra towels. You have a full-length mirror when you open the closet door. Iron, extra bedding. Nice wooden hangers, ironing board, and I like that they have laundry bags. Heading into the bathroom, this particular room came with a stand-up shower. Nice bathroom, basic but very nice. And yeah, oh, I've got to get something before I leave. Let's get all these amenities. Okay, now I'm going to show you all of the dining options at this resort, and they have a good variety of dining options. So right when you come in, you check in on the left, and to the right of check-in is Sunny's, a bar and grill, and they offer a lot of good starters like salads, pretzel, margarita flatbread, cheese board, chicken wings. They have burgers, chicken sandwich. They have eggplant parmesan, and they have a really good menu with beers and wine and crafted cocktails. And you can either dine and have your drinks inside, or you can step outside, and it's a really pretty view. Letterpress is their table service dining. Beautiful restaurant. They serve breakfast, brunch, and dinner. Sneaking a peek in here in between meals, right after breakfast. And I've never eaten in here, but I Googled it, and they have a lot of really good reviews on this restaurant. So yeah, I would Google it if I were you and just check out the reviews on it. Now we're going to head to their quick service dining, Citrus 28. I had the, the Italian cold cut, and it was very good. They have pizzas, a lot of grab and go options, ice cream, fruits, dessert. They have Starbucks coffee. So yeah, it's a really nice quick service. Who else loves the sound of the waterfall? It's just so peaceful and relaxing. So my husband and I stayed here last year, so if you want to look at that footage when we were out here enjoying this beautiful pool, and oh, I'm kind of wanting to enjoy it right now because this weather, it really could not be better. Oh. Here is their Poolside Oasis shades, and let me tell you, my husband and I ate here quite a few times on our last trip because it was so good. Their fried chicken sandwich, delicious. And order that grilled chicken Caesar salad, but ask for the chicken to be fried instead if you want to be bad like me, because it is so delicious. They have a lot of good cocktails here too. My favorite Disney Springs hotel pool is by far at the Hilton Lake Buena Vista Palace. I love it. An added bonus is this lovely, lovely float lagoon. So if you're looking for the best pool that has a float lagoon, stay at Hilton Lake Buena Vista Palace, guys. It was a lovely, lazy river. Let's head back inside. I'm going to show you the gift shop for the Hilton Lake Buena Vista Palace. They do have a lot of Disney merchandise. It's not actually Walt Disney World official merchandise, but they do have it if you need to buy a gift for someone. Okay, you know, we've got to check out the arcade and see if my favorite game is in here. Let's find out. They have a nice size arcade with a lot of games for the kiddos, but do they have a game for us adults, us, 40 plus people? Yes, they do. Hello, Galaga. Good job, Hilton. Good job. All right, let's go take the walk from Hilton Lake Buena Vista Palace to Disney Springs. Here we go. And look at the hot dog float. Okay, good. Springs this way. People enjoying the lovely pool area.
Right?
So back in the day, we used to be able to cross the street right here from the Hilton and go straight to Disney Springs. And yeah, I think that's where the buses used to get you for all the different resorts. So it was super close back then. But it's still nice and close, and you don't have to risk your life and cross that road. You get to go over here. This weather is absolutely perfection. Oh, guys, go to Disney from October till early March, and you're gonna have, most likely you're gonna have really nice weather. I've got a breeze going right now. I'm not sweating to death. My hair's still down because it's not like, oh, just because I've been sweating all day. I love it. Here we are at Disney Springs. So it's about an 8 to 10 minute walk. Unless you're a really fast walker, maybe you could get there in 5 to 7 minutes. But being realistic, it's about an 8 to 10 minute walk. It's not bad at all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the room tour and all around the Hilton Lake Buena Vista Palace Resort. If you did, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. I am just having fun. Bye, everyone.